In this lesson, we'll talk about adding and subtracting matrices. Adding and subtracting matrices, we can add two matrices if they have the same dimensions, meaning that the matrices must have the same number of rows and the same number of columns. Let's see if we can do the addition of A with B. A has, so you have to keep in mind always, they should have the same number of rows and the same number of columns. A has 1 column, 2 column, 1 row, 2 rows. B has 1 column, 2 column, and 1 row, 2 rows. So they are basically identical. We see they have the same dimensions: 1 column, 2 column, 1 row, 2 row, 1 column, 2 column, 1 row, 2 rows. So we can do it. Let's see if we can do the addition of A with C. A with C. C has 1 column, 2 column, 3 column. So from now we see that C has 3 columns, but A has 2 columns. So this does not work here. We cannot do the addition. Let's see C minus D. C minus D. We see that C has 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns, and 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows. And D has 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns, 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. So they have the same dimensions, meaning the same number of rows and the same number of columns. So basically we can do the subtraction of C minus D. Let's see some examples. We will make the addition of this matrix with this matrix. We always keep in mind, we take the number in the first position and we add it with the number of first position in the second matrix, and the number of second position in the first matrix with the number of second position in the second matrix. So 1 plus 5 is 6, and 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, and 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. And here 1 minus 5 is minus 4. We just have to keep in mind that 1 minus 5 is equal to, we look at the biggest number. Which one is biggest? It is 5, right? So we take the sign of 5, it is minus, and minus 5 minus 1 is 4. That's why we get minus 4. Then 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. 4 minus 8 is equal to minus 4. Let's see 3D dimensions matrix, so adding and subtracting. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. And 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. And 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. And finally 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. The same for subtraction. 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8. 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 6. 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. I think it is clear for you now. We do the same for the other numbers. And here let's see this example also. Can we do the addition of this matrix with this matrix? Let's check. First we check the number of rows. Here we have 1 row, 2 row. Here we have 1 row and 2 row. So number of rows is correct, they have the same. Let's check the number of columns. Here we have 1 column, 2 column. Here we have 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns. So this didn't work here. So basically it is not possible. Okay, thank you for watching.